Hello everyone, myself Rajesh, Assistant Professor VK Krishna Menon College, Department of Computer Science, and I am here to present my paper entitled HIT, a blending view of human resource management and information technology. Basically, we all know that we are having a different human culture, and Indian human culture have been transformed entirely by utilizing the web or the internet. Information technology offers a great schemes that are usable to individual companies through the device component, which they assume as a primary point in the development of HR. Today, information innovation or information technology has become a significant factor for the development of HR. My paper encases a short outline of blend view of information technology in the HRMS, the definitive terms, and the technological impacts. Now let us start with the intro. Almost all organizations understand human resource is most prominent capital for development of the companies. A period of improvement development is of no importance if without human resource. That means if there is no human resource, if there is no proper human resource, definitely the improvement or the development of that particular organization is of no use or of no importance. The base foundation of HRD is nothing but the presence of new test data, and this data is nothing but a judicious cycle which is called as information technology nowadays, which help in assisting and making and developing the fortitude in the HR. Changes by the new information technology are definitely seen in the principal factor of organization laborers by the use of IT. The present information technology has shown a constant turns of events in terms of innovation, scope, the effects on one another. Accordingly, HR expert embraces development which permit in redesigning of the HR activities. Information technology branch of ICT is nothing but a umbrella term that is used for technology along that is joined with the web, new media, web-based media, portable devices, and PCs that permits the company to revamp their inner cycle structures, center abilities, as well as the significant business factors on a worldwide scale. Now let us start with the definitive terms. So definitive terms of the information technology as well as the HRM. So the first term is technology. The technology is nothing but a group of cycle, procedures, strategies, hardware, tools, device, and the ability that an item or administration can be presented. It is a use of science to industry utilizing ordinary and directional practice and exploration. The second one is the information technology. So information technology is a group of tools which are made with the objective of innovative data framework, and if this data framework is not utilized in a proper manner, then definitely it is going to create a problem or some sort of issues. Third one is the human resource management. So human resource management, it is a systematic process of management of people that are employed in the organization. It is a managerial process of acquisition and engagement of the required workforce who are appropriate for the job and are related with the development, maintenance, and utilization of the workforce. HRM is nothing but it is concerned with the dimension of people in the management given by the Dekenzo and Robbins. Now fourth one is the EHRM. So EHRM is nothing but a blend or a combination of IT plus HRM. In a simplified manner, if we are going to explain, EHRM is the process of planning, implementation, and application of IT for networking and supporting HR activities. Let us start with the role of IT in the HRIS. So HRIS is nothing but the human resource information system that acts as a coordinated framework for getting and keeping away the information of interviews and the tests as per on the choice and the protocols in the field of HR. IT makes this human resource work straightforward and simpler. The HR director currently stores and recovers the organization records in an electronic configuration. They provide worker information, work attribute, business application necessity, determination, staffing, business strategies, expert and individual improvement, corporate design, execution and evaluation, sorting out of various issues. Information technology provides the base for handling all these issues. It carries different enhancement to a company such as diminishing managerial cost, increment usefulness, further developing the dynamics interaction and customer care. The company utilizes a wide range of HR in terms of recruiting, in context to recruiting board and choosing a person for meeting, look on workers, distinguishing their information extra. Now let us start with the impact of IT on the HRM function. So basically I have discussed on the 4 function: training, performance management, human resource development, ideas management. In terms of training, HR supervisor prepares a new staff in the association in more effective way, perhaps through the use of data innovation or information technology. Trainers work straightforwardly with the new staff through information technology and prepare programs according to the training needs. Second one is the performance management. So HR administrator utilizes information technology to get representative execution and evaluate the work criticism to be used to assist the organization. Different equipments and programming application are accessible that makes HR admin workable to look at the representative presentation and set up the exhibition standard. HR director thinks about the real execution of the worker to standard execution and eliminate the distinction, and furthermore give extra preparation to the representative with the help of IT in HRM. HRD, that is human resource development. Third one, information technology is additionally vital for HR advancement in the general public and organization, and it decides the improvement guideline of HR as indicated by the necessity of representative and the society. IT helps in HRD by creating human abilities and quality on a non-stop premises. In an information technology measures, data is constantly delivered, circulated, handled and overseen, as a result of which information technology will be the arrangement of the issues when the preparation of workers and human abilities are consolidated, and hence it is used to provide a line that can create and improve the efficiency in the HRM activities. Fourth one is the idea management. So information technology additionally assumes a significant part in a thought that the executive instrument gives data in regards to number of progressive recommendation presented by the worker in the organization, and thus helps in creating a novel thought in the organization. It can likewise give the expense and incoming data of the organization, and furthermore helps in the execution of new propositions in the organization for the future advantage. The primary point of online data support in thought, the executives give the foundation of the organization as a solid way, and give the chance to all representative to introduce their thought in the organization gatherings and dynamic cycle. Now let us see the advantage and disadvantage of IT in context to HRM. Information technology conveys the various benefits to HRM, that is, it is economical, it is a time saving, it reduces execution cost, and when it comes to the recruitment, definitely it is going to provide efficient recruitment things. Disadvantage for workers and company: augmentation in the IT, contracts open position in the companies and countless workers becomes jobless. On the off chance, if the particular representative does not know the IT field in a proper manner, definitely that worker cannot find the idealistic position in the organization. When it comes to assemble the new information technology, however the IT is cost efficient, but whenever you are going to assemble a new information technology, it is going to be costly in an organization. It is unsafe when you are going to consider a security. Now from all the points that I have discussed above, let us conclude from all the above analysis, it is reasonable to state that information technology benefits the inside task of organization. Various utilization of computer, printers, fax machine, mobile phones definitely helps in the rapid development of the data. Whenever we are going to blend the information technology with the HRM, the plans of HRM becomes compelling. Information technology uses a group of programming tools for representatives and companies, and hence it becomes a significant part in the HRD, that is human resource development. It affects the entire area of HR, such as various executive roles, enrollment preparation, advancement and support capabilities. With this, I end my presentation. I would like to thank all the organizers for providing me an opportunity to present my paper. Thank you everyone.